Hey, Aussie legends! Too busy to hit the gym? No worries. This 5-minute strength workout is perfect for beginners. No equipment, no stress, just results. Let's get stronger together.
First up, squats. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart, and lower your hips like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Do 15 reps. Squats build your legs and core. Science says they boost metabolism too. Feeling the burn? That's your body saying, you're a champ. Next, push-ups. On your knees or toes, lower your chest to the floor, then push back up. Aim for 10. Push-ups strengthen your arms and chest. Fun fact, they even improve your posture. Who doesn't want to stand prouder?
Third, plank hold. Get into a push-up position. Hold steady for 20 seconds. Your core's working overtime here. Planks are like a hug for your spine. Keep breathing, you got this.
Finally, mountain climbers. In a plank, pull your knees to your chest one at a time like you're sprinting on the floor. Go for 30 seconds. These fire up your heart rate. Research shows they burn calories fast. Keep it up, dear.
5 minutes a day, and you'll feel unstoppable. Repeat this circuit twice and you're done. Sweat a little, smile a lot. Join our 5-minute AUS.Pulse challenge. Do this daily for a week and share your vibe with #AusPulse challenge. Which move was your fave? Drop it in the comments and follow AUS.Pulse for more quick workouts to keep you strong, fit, and feeling epic.